Now, finding something to make for Caitlan the cat's ring, chain ring. I'm going to go Burl, Australian native, 300 poster. Burl, other stuff. Burl. How do we not go Burl? Bit of mallee. Yes. That's not my table. Where's all my stuff gone? Anyway. You become a ring, so I can send you to England. And go! I guess we need to give you a hand. Alright, that's just stuck on there with hot melt glue. Industrial strength, not craft. All those people say, hot melt glue doesn't work. It does. You just got to get the right glue for it. So, rule of thumb with hot melt glue. Yellow is industrial stuff. White and clear is craft. It'll work, but if you can get your hands on the industrial stuff, works a lot better. Like I said, craft does work. See, I think that second one was a craft one. Whoops. Most of that stuck down with, look, there's the difference. That is the, that's the industrial one. That's the craft. Industrial, craft. So it's not just the outside that I've done. I've also done the where it's glued in. That bit, the bit that goes onto there, all inside there is all glue, hot melt glue with the yeah, with the industrial strength one. Alright, and there's a difference there. That one's like hard, and that one's tacky. Alright, let's wait for this to dry and get turning it. I am a goofball. I thought I pressed record and I didn't. Anyway, that's a dado. And I've 20 mils. I'll draw another line. Now I'm putting that line off. And that's where I'm up to now. Cutting off. So I have my resin all mixed up. Now I fill this. What am I going to fill this with? Well, resin of course, but I mean, what pigment am I going to use? I am going to use this old stuff. What this is I went down to my local hardware store that does key copying, and basically said to them, hey, can I please have your tailings, basically everything that gets collected after you do key stuff, copy keys. Yeah, and yeah, basically asked them if they could keep some for me, and they did. Happy days. All nice and hard. Should look pretty cool. What on earth is this root ball doing up here? The ring is off. Now to do jam chucky stuff. Do I need to do jam chucky stuff? Maybe I do. I don't know. Let's do that. I'm hearing something. Where are you? Loki! Someone's found their way into the roof space. Shopcat! In the roof. It's winter. She knows it's warm up there. She's not dumb. Me, on the other hand. Alright, that looks nice and spectacular. Now I'll finish it off with Triple E Ultra Shine and some Shallow Wax Cream. One mallee ring with key, what would you call it, swarf or shavings from keys from our local hardware shop on a red mallee. That's pretty. Oh, okay. Nope, I can't wear that as a bracelet. Hands are too fat. Alright. That's it. One ring to rule them all. Nope. This is my contribution to Caitlan the Cat's collaboration, where she's making a whole big bunch of rings from other turners. She's going to link them together and do something with it. Should have one big turned chain. Anyway, this is my contribution. It is red mallee, and the void was filled with swarf or shavings from a key cutting machine at my local hardware shop. Anyway, this is a really fun project to do. If you're a wood turner out there, I do suggest just going and making one of these and sending it to Caitlan. Let's try and get as many turners out there to send a ring that's unique and make this chain enormous. So if you're a wood turner, I'm going to leave a link to Caitlan's video where she makes her rings and comes up with this great idea. Yeah, and I will see you all very soon. Stay awesome. Remember to be awesome, because guess what? You are awesome. I'll see you all very soon. Bye. My hand is still too large. Bye.